let's talk about how you can make money from home. Yeah, no scams, just actual step-by-step stuff that you can start today. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or tired of commuting, I'm going to break down easy way that you can earn money from home. I'm also going to break it down how to start, even if you're starting from scratch. I assume that you already have a skill that you can monetize to make money. Whether you're good in writing, freelancing, social media, all those are skills that people out there are looking for. And because people out there are looking for those that have such skills, that tells you that you can actually use those skills to make money from the comfort of your home. Now, if you have those skills that I just mentioned or more, head over to platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and create a profile. You might be asking, how are you going to create a profile? Very simple, very easy. If you do not know how to do this, click on any profile on any of these platforms and take a look how the people on the profile on the platform had written their own profile. Take a cue from there and know what to add and what not to add in your own profile. The thing is, make yours to stand out, because you're gathering cues, you're gathering tips from different profiles. So that should make your own to be really, really good and stand out from the crowd. If you create a profile, the tip here is make sure you don't overcharge. As a new person, you need to first and foremost build trust. Yes, build trust by charging lower, a little bit lower than what others in that particular field, in that particular niche, they are charging. That way, people are gonna want to patronize you, and as they're patronizing you, they are telling people about you. Now, another thing is try and make your profile very, very clear. Like, state what you do, what you offer, the services you offer. If you have done this in the past for anybody, state it in your profile. Yes, people want to know that you have done this before. Now, if you do not know how to do this or what platforms to use, you can head over to Canva. Canva have beautiful templates that you can use to create a beautiful, straightforward profile that you can upload to platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Now, if you use Canva for your designs, you can also use Grammarly for writing, right? To check your writing, spellings, and all of that. And you can also use InShot for your videos. In case you want to upload videos, use InShot. The second way you can make money from the comfort of your home is by selling digital products. Yes, you can actually sell digital products. What is it that you know you can put into an ebook? It is a digital product. You can use Canva to design templates. You can use Canva to design budget planners, study guides, and people will pay you for all of this. When you've designed all of this, all you need to do is head over to platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or even Payhip. These are the platforms that you can use to sell those products that you have put together. So the third step is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing basically is, hey girl, I like what you're wearing. Where did you get it from? And you will be like, hey, this is the link to the platform I got it from. That's what it is. So many of us, we do affiliate marketing day in, day out, but we don't even realize. But we are doing affiliate marketing free of charge because we don't have any link that we can give to people or we can introduce to people so that we get paid a commission. So this is what affiliate marketing is. And this is something you can do from the comfort of your own home and earn. So you can go sign up to platforms like Amazon Affiliate, Digistore24, and ClickBank, or any other affiliate marketing platform that you know, and start promoting their product and start earning commission. You don't need a website, you don't need inventories, you don't need all of that. All you need is just to promote the product. So the fourth one is, if you're good in teaching, tutoring, this is basically the one for you. If you're good in mathematics, English, any subject at all, chemistry, any subject at all, you can start teaching online and be making money from the comfort of your home. If you're good in all of this, even gardening, guys, go look out for a platform like Preply, Cambly, or SuperProf for tutoring. Sign up to these platforms and start lecturing, start teaching. You can teach yoga, you can teach gardening, you can teach anything at all, and you earn money from the comfort of your home. If you love talking, teaching, or being creative, content creation is gold, and that will be right for you. You can start with TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook. Now, start with giving tips. Start with product reviews. Start with tutorials. The way it works is the moment you build your audience, brands will pay you for sponsorship. So concentrate on building your audience as you do content creation. Let me quickly say, when it comes to this, you don't need any fancy gadget. All you need is just your phone and being consistent. Let me give you a pro tips here. If you want to do this, batch record your content and share across all your social media platforms. Yes, you can create a content on TikTok and share across other social media platforms that you have. Okay, you're not into freelancing and selling, right? But you can still work from home for companies. Yeah, companies like We Work Remotely, Indeed, Flex Jobs, they will hire you to work from the comfort of your home for them. Now, the good thing about this is you can do freelancing like in the morning, you do content creation in the afternoon, and you earn while you're sleeping at night through affiliate marketing. How cool. Anyway, so that is it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find value in the content, don't forget to follow me, comment, like, save, and share the video. I hope to see you next time. You're welcome.